Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum, where we talk about market movements, making money, and money momentum. Today we're going to be talking about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. As always, this is not financial advice. I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. When we look at the technical analysis side of things, this stock is at an all-time high, currently sitting at $43, up 330% from when it IPO'd. Initially IPO'd on October 2nd of 2020, and it was at $9.20. So you could see from 43 from $9, there's been quite the multiplication from there. When we look at the 1 year chart, this is also up 146% for the year. So if you would have invested last year, you would have been paying $17.44 for the same stock that is now worth $43. When we look at the support and resistance levels, currently, because we're breaking into all-time highs, we're not currently sitting at any support or resistance levels, but the next support from here, if we were to fall back down, would be at around $35. If it were to go farther from there, it would be down to $20. If it were to drop all the way down to $20, this would be a blessing, and I do not see this stock dropping from here. The technical analysis of this stock looks great, but there are also a lot of positives when it comes to the fundamentals. Let's start out by looking at the earnings per share. So you could see in 2023, they finally flipped around their earnings per share for the first time, being in the positive range territory, making 9 cents per share. This shows their price to earnings ratio as well as the stock price, and you could see both are in an upward trajectory. Their annual earnings per share has been positive this last year, and each quarter has been positive also. Their next quarter is going to be released on 11/4. If we continue to see the same trend, we should see the earnings per share continue to rise. There is still a lot of room for Palantir to run from here. Even though it is at an all-time high, I still see this stock going a lot higher. Currently, the market cap sits at under $100 billion, so at $96 billion, which sounds like a lot, but when we compare it to other companies such as Tesla with a $695 billion market cap, and a company like Apple with a $3.57 trillion market cap, there is still a lot of room to grow. Another reason to be bullish on Palantir is also they do have a reserve of gold, which should prepare them pretty well for anything that happens with inflation and a possible collapse of the United States dollar. So in August 2021, they purchased nearly $51 million in physical gold. So they did that in case there was a black swan event, again, such as if the US dollar collapses. So not only do they hold a ton of gold, they are also working with the United States government, and you could also put them into one of those categories that would be considered AI. So this company seems to be making a lot of money, the price continues to shoot up, and they seem pretty well invested for any events that happen, and with the United States government being one of their biggest customers, they are bound to continue to stick around for a long, long time. I see Palantir going up to $100 plus in the near future, and I am very heavily invested. I think currently at $100 billion market cap, this is still a steal. And I would love to hear what you guys have to say about the stock down below in the comments section. So please drop a comment, please leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.